Good morning, student. Student, today MCQs on the topic application of integrals. Question number 1. The area of the region bounded by the lines y equal to mx, x equal to 1, x equal to 2 and x-axis is 6 square units. Then m is equal to what? So here question 1. Y equal to mx is a line passing through origin. Then x equal to 1 and x equal to 2 is the limit. Then required area is this part. This is the required area. Here it is given 6 square unit. So according to the formula, required area equal to integration 1 to 2 y dx. Just take one strip. This is y, that is dx, then area of the strip is y into dx, then area of this shaded region is 1 to 2 y dx. Then it is 1 to 2 y equal to mx dx. M constant, there is x square upon 2, limit 1 to 2. Then it is m by 4, m by 2, then upper limit 2 square minus 1 square, and it is m by 2, then 4 minus 1 is 3. Since 3m upon 2 equal to 6, 3 to the 6, from this we will get m, it is 4, m equal to 4, and D option is correct here. Now question number 2. Find the area of the curve xy equal to 4 bounded by the line x equal to 1 and x equal to 3 and x-axis. So here xy equal to 4 is a rectangular hyperbola. It is like that. Then there is a limit x equal to 1 to x equal to 3. X equal to 3. This is the shaded area or required area. So simple, the curve xy equal to 4, make one straight, then required area equal to limit 1 to 3 y dx, then 1 to 3 y equal to 4 upon x dx. 4 is constant, integration of 1 by x is log x. Limit 1 to 3, then 4, then it is log 3 minus log 1. Log 1 is 0. So it is 4 log 3. 4 log 3. Or we can write it till log 3 power 4. Log 3 power 4 means it is 81. Log 81, and C option is correct here. Now question 3. The area enclosed by y equal to 3x minus 5, y equal to 0 means x-axis, x equal to 3 and x equal to 5 is. So here y equal to 3x minus 5 is a line whose y-intercept is minus 5. Then there is a line y equal to 3x minus 5, x equal to 3 and x equal to 5 is here. X equal to 5 and x equal to 3. This is the required shaded area. And y equal to 0 is x-axis. So this area, that, this. So required area equal to integration 3 to 5 y dx. It is 3 to 5 3x minus 5 dx, and it is 3 into x square upon 2 minus 5x and limit 3 to 5. Now it is 3 by 2, then upper limit 5 square minus 3 square minus 5, then 5 minus 3. It is 3 by 2. There, a square minus b square, so it is 2 into 8 minus 5 into 2. Cancel. 3 8 are 24 minus 10, so it is 14 square unit. Square units. So here D option is correct. Question 4. The area bounded by y equal to log x, x-axis and ordinate x equal to 1 equal to x equal to 2 is what?